Hello everyone. So today we have a new session of Excel, and in this session we learn the large function. So large function is basically to identify the largest value in a data set. Suppose we have a data set like this. This is the dates data set, and the requirement is if we want to find out the fourth or fifth largest value from this data set. So how we can find out? So we use the large function. So firstly I type the large. So firstly I type the large. The first parameter of this function is array. So I select the array from this data set, comma, k is the number. So if you want the fourth largest value, so type 4. So this is the number of the specific date. So now I go to the format and change the date format. So this is the fourth largest value of this particular data set. If you want to change the number, means if you want the fifth largest value, so this is the fifth largest value. So this is the functionality of the large function to find the specific number largest value. So now the situation is we want the fourth we want the largest value according to these numbers. Like we want the fourth largest value from this data set. We want the second largest, third and first. So how we can do this? We apply the large function, the array, select this data set, and in the parameter of k, we again go to the large function sheet and select the D3 cell, bracket close, before entering, select the range and press F4 for fix the range. So I drag this formula to down, so I get all the largest value according to the numbers. So this is the fourth largest, this is the second largest, this is the third and first largest. Now I have a situation. The situation is currently we have only for one column. I need to add one more column. That column is sales, and take some randomly values. So apply the rand between function and take the randomly values from 1000 to 2000 and copy this and apply the paste special to remove the formula from the backside. So now I get the some randomly values, and now the question is I want the total sales of these particular largest values. So how we can do this? We go to the F3 cell and apply the Sumif function. Select the range. So this is the range. Criteria. This is the criteria. The sum range. This is my sum range. Bracket close. Before entering, I fix all the ranges inside the formula and enter. So this is the total of each of the largest values. So here I apply the sum function and select these values and enter. So this is the total sum of these largest value. But how we can get this value? We get this value uh, basically before getting this value we perform the large function, then perform the sum function and then sum function. But if I don't want to add, means if I don't want to create the large function and the sum function, as well as I don't want these values also. So I just want directly get the data, means I just directly want the total sales of 4231 largest value. So how we can do this? So firstly I apply the large function, the array, this is the array, comma, k. If I am applying 4, so I am getting the fourth largest value. But if I am typing like this, so I am getting the data, or I am getting the largest value according to these numbers. Now, before the large function, I apply the sumif function. Inside the sumif, the first parameter is range. So I select the range, press F4, comma. The criteria is I already get the criteria by this function, comma. The third parameter is sum range. So I select the sum range, press F4, bracket close, and enter. So this is the basically this I'm getting the first value, means I'm getting the fourth largest value here. So this is the date format. I'm go to the format section and select general. This is the fourth largest value. Basically I'm getting all the largest values, means I'm getting the fourth, second, third, first. I'm getting all the largest value. But in a one cell, I'm in a one cell only the fourth largest value is visible. So before sum function, I apply the sum function, bracket close, and enter. So I am getting the result of the I am getting the total sum of the fourth, second, third, and first largest sales. So this type of functionality which I am using inside the large function, this type of functionality is very helpful to getting the result in a one column or in a one cell. Means I am not using two or three cells for individual functions, like applying the large function here and applying the sum function here and then get the sum. So directly using this type of functionality with the help of large function and get the total sales. So thank you for this session. We will meet again with a new concept in the Excel session. Thank you.